Secretaries Rollins and Kennedy advocate real food in Fox News op-ed on new dietary plan. In a joint Fox News opinion piece released on January 8, 2026, Agriculture Secretary Brooke L. Rollins and Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. championed the upcoming dietary guidelines for Americans covering 2025-2030. The guidelines urge U.S. consumers to return to real food, increasing intake of protein, dairy, fruits, vegetables and whole grains, while sharply reducing ultra-processed items laden with refined carbs, added sugars, excess sodium, unhealthy fats and synthetic additives. Rollins and Kennedy framed the policy shift as a historic realignment of America's food system, one that lifts farmers, ranchers and food producers who grow wholesome foods, whether that means raising beef, producing dairy, or harvesting fresh produce. They hailed the plan as the most consequential overhaul of federal nutrition policy ever undertaken, crediting President Donald Trump's leadership for finally ending decades of incentives that favored cheap, highly processed foods and pharmaceutical fixes over preventative nutrition. The secretaries emphasized that the nation is in a health emergency. Roughly 9/10 of health care spending now goes to chronic disease care, much of which stems from a diet high in processed foods and low in nutrient-dense options. Over 70% of American adults are overweight or obese, and nearly 1/3 of teenagers have prediabetes, trends that also jeopardize military readiness, as diet-related conditions disqualify many young recruits. By urging a nationwide coalition of healthcare providers, insurers, educators, community leaders, industry players, and policymakers to adopt the new guidelines, Rollins and Kennedy argued that America can move from a cycle of chronic disease toward a future of nutrition-driven resilience and long-term health. Peace concluded with a call to make America healthy again, inviting every American to recommit to real food for a stronger, healthier nation.